Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video I'll walk you through how to open and view an HTML file in your browser using Visual Studio Code. Whether you're learning HTML or just need to quickly preview your work, this short guide will show you both the easy way and the more flexible live server method. Let's start inside Visual Studio Code. Once the app is open, go to the top menu and click on File, then choose Open Folder. Navigate to the folder that contains your HTML file and open it. This step makes it easier to access all related files and ensures that VS Code recognizes your project structure. Next, look to the Explorer panel on the left-hand side. You'll see your folder contents listed there. Click on your .html file to open it in the editor. This allows you to view and edit the code directly. Now, if you want to see your HTML page as it would appear in a browser, there are two ways to do it. The first is by using the Live Server extension, which is great for real-time updates. To install it, click on the extensions icon on the sidebar, search for Live Server, and install it. Once it's installed, simply press F1, then type Live Server, open with Live Server. Or you can select Go Live on the bottom right corner. Your default browser will open automatically, displaying your web page. Anytime you make changes and save the file, Live Server will instantly refresh the page so you can see updates right away. If you prefer to keep things simple, there's also a built-in option. Instead of using Live Server, you can just open the HTML file directly. Locate the file in your folder, double-click it, and it will open in your browser. You won't get live updates, but it's a quick and easy way to preview your work. And that's it. You've just learned how to open an HTML file in Visual Studio Code and view it in your browser, either through Live Server for a smooth workflow or by opening the file directly. That wraps up this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe for more straightforward guides like this one.